Hello everyone. Today, as a Metal Toys Dizzy fan, it's kind of a special day to me. I'm adding the Top B Snake edition to my collection. Got it here before me in two variations, the stainless steel and the titanium one. Also ordered the zirconium one because the price was excellent. So let's open them and see what we got here. Very excited. As always, I'm doing it all live with you because I don't know, this how I like to do it. I like to share with you everything. So this is the first one, the Metal Toys Dizzy package. You can see here, it's Top B Snake. This is one. This is the one. I think this is the stainless steel one. Yes, this is the stainless steel. Now let's open the other one. My trusty little knife. And the second one. Yes, you can see. What? Top B Rain? What? I don't really know what's happening here. I'm not really sure what's happening here, to be honest. What? Did they just made a mistake? I don't know. I will need to pause the video here because I don't know what's happening. Thank you. Hello again, everyone. As you've seen in the first part of this video, there was a little mistake made by the seller. So instead of the Top B Snake in both stainless steel and titanium, I got only the stainless steel one. And by mistake, I got a Top B Rain in titanium instead of a snake in titanium. I contacted the seller, of course. He was very apologetic. I wanted to return it and replace it for the one that I ordered because I already have one of those unboxed and unopened. But he said it was problematic for him, and he's a good seller. I bought many times from him, so as a compromise, I actually added $29 and he will ship me the snake in titanium, as he should. So for all intents and purposes, this is Top B Rain. It costed me $29. That's it. So I'm going to open it and the Top B Snake in stainless steel, which is cool because I have the Rain opened in titanium zircuti and stainless steel, but not titanium, so it will be nice to play with it also. So without any more explanation, let's do it. I will start with the star of the show, which is the snake, the one I still don't have in my collection. Here we go. Rip it open. Just like it should. It opened great. Okay. Ta-ta-ta-tam! My beautiful Metal Toys DZ. Let's just move a little closer. Before I open it, I want to take some close. Beautiful, freaking beautiful one. Let's see the metal. With the holographic stickers and everything, like it should be. So, this is going to hurt. Let's open it. Where it is, where it is, here it is, here it is. Here it is, in all its beautiful glory. Metal Toys DZ products are works of art, in my opinion. Like, I'm gonna do a little close up here. Every detail is exceptional. I really love all of their products. And just beautiful. Just doing some close up to appreciate the beauty. Open it. Let's see what it says here. SG. Let's see what it says on the back. Nothing here, but maybe on the bottom. No. Okay. Let's play with it a little and see how it goes. The entire middle part is moving when I do it. Man, that's some damn zoom. That's some good haptics. And those balls actually add so much to the tactile experience. Really, really nice one. I'm so happy I could add it to my collection. And I should have it in titanium, and also I bought it in zirconium just as part of the collection. I really like Metal Toys DZ products, and I truly think that if I buy more of their products, it will support them, and they will continue to create magnificent little fidgets for us to enjoy. And the little sad man, I always love that. Nothing shakes or wobbles or nothing. Amazing, like the quality. It always takes me back. So that's the very cool top B snake in stainless steel. I will put it here on the side. You can still see it, but just in the pack there was a tool, cool stickers. Let me do a close-up. Springs and balls, and I presume like a little lubrication or something. Yeah. Now I will open the top B rain. Just take this, like that. Top B rain. Let's do it. This one has given me a lot of trouble to open, but you win some, you lose some. Let's check it out. Top B rain stickers, and silicone pads, and a tool, springs and balls, and again their proprietary packaging, which I absolutely love. very, very high quality. And let's open it. Metal Toys DZ. Let's do some close-up as I always love for archive properties or purposes. Freaking beautiful titanium blue. So, as I said, because I only added $29, this was extremely cheap. And I have another one closed for my collection. So, just zoom out. Ta-ta-ta-tam! I fucking love the rain. So beautiful. In blue. Titanium blue, so freaking good, man. And again, man, the detail is astonishing. Number 2163, I presume. And there should be the little sad guy. Ah, okay. Yeah, here it is. Loved it. So, let's fidget with it for a bit. Just excellent. Like I have nothing special to say because it's Toby Rain. It's like the staple for me. And again, I'm so happy that it was a happy mistake. So as you can see, this is my Toby Rain. Just put it here, and just because I like to show off a little. My stainless steel one as well. Very, very cool. 1851. And last but extremely not least, my titanium Mokati one, which is, as I always say, it's a work of art. Next to the titanium. Three of them next to each other. Let's try to flip them over also, just for the coolness effect. Okay, let's return each to its place. So, this is it for me today. Let's try to do like a nice family photo like this. No, you are upside down. That will not do. So, my extremely nice Top B collection is growing. It's growing. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.